Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 10, Microbes in Human Welfare. In this chapter, the use of microbes are given, how the microbes are useful for a human being, and what kind of product we can get from them in our day-to-day life. So in this chapter there are few diagrams given. First of all, have a look to these diagrams. This is a bacteriophage diagram. This is the head of a bacteriophage. This is the collar, tail, plate, and these are the pins and prongs. So just learn these names carefully: head, collar, tail, plate, pins, and prongs. Similarly, this is a bacterium, which is a rod-shaped bacteria, and it is a bacillus bacteria. You know, the bacteria which are rod-shaped, they are bacillus, and there are so many flagella also in this bacteria. So this is a magnified view of 50,000x showing this bacterial diagram and this bacteriophage diagrams. Here, now we start with some important use of the microbes. The first thing first in the topic is microbes in household product. Okay, so first thing which we get from the microbes in our day-to-day life in our kitchen, that is curd. You know, curd is made because of a bacteria called lactobacillus. This is a group of the bacteria. It's also called as lactic acid bacteria, LAB, and they grow in milk and they convert it into curd. Okay, so you have seen in the homes when you make curd, you put a small spoonful of the curd into the warm milk. Why warm milk? Because it needs a warm temperature to grow. So you add some inoculum. So that spoonful of curd is an inoculum which you add in the bowl of that curd, and the bacteria on a suitable temperature multiply, and while multiplying, what they do is these millions of bacteria during growth, while multiplying, they produce an acid. This acid is a lactic acid, and they also partially digest the milk protein, casein. Casein is a milk protein. So they do two kinds of things. The one, they convert the milk protein, coagulate milk protein, and the second, they produce acid which provides sourness to the curd. Plus the curd is more beneficial because it increase vitamin B12 content in our food. Plus it cure many kind of disease, stomach disease, which can happen through the harmful bacteria. So you can say they check the harmful bacteria by growing. So they can say they are a good bacteria. Next is dough. Dough means the preparation, the dosa, idli, atta, whatever you prepare. Okay, so that is the dough. So the puffed appearance of dough, especially of dosa idli, you keep it for fermentation like for 12 hours. So this fermentation is done because of the carbon dioxide gas produced by these bacteria. Okay, and this is especially Saccharomyces cerevisiae which ferment these food items. And Saccharomyces cerevisiae is a scientific name of the yeast. And because the baking industry like bread, bun, all are made because of yeast. So this yeast is also called as baker's yeast. Next is toddy. Toddy is a traditional drink. Southern India का, South India का, it is a traditional drink जो कि पाम के ट्री के से या कोकोनट के ट्री के को पानी में रखकर और उसके सप से तैयार किया जाता है. इसको भी फर्मेंट किया जाता है थ्रू दी माइक्रोब. Also you can ferment fish, soybean, bamboo shoots to make it crunchy and delicious. So this fermentation is done. Next is cheese. Cheese means the preparation of cheese is done through the microbes. There are so many types of cheese available, and so many variety of cheeses depend on what kind of bacteria you are using to prepare them. Two names are given here. The first is Swiss cheese. Swiss cheese is produced with a bacterium name is Propionibacterium shermani, and there are holes which are created by during the growth and the respiration of this bacterium, and this large amount of CO2 is produced. Next cheese is Roquefort cheese. It is ripened by growing a specific fungus, and the fungus name is Penicillium roqueforti, and it also gives it a particular flavor. And after this topic, this is a microbes in industries product. First is in the fermented beverages, and second is antibiotics. So there are beverages which are prepared from the yeast, That is why yeast is also called as brewer's yeast. And I already told you the yeast scientific name is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, and the beverages means the alcoholic drink can be prepared from the juice, fruit juice, and malted cereals. Okay, so there are drinks which are prepared from these are two types. First is wine and beer, which are filtered, pasteurized, and bottled without distillation, while whiskey, brandy, and rum produced by distillation. So learn these two, the without distillation and distillation. Antibiotics. Antibiotics, you know already, antibiotics, first antibiotic discovered by Alexander Fleming. While growing this bacteria on a petri dish, he saw that this bacteria could not grow on a petri dish, and that petri dish was unwashed and having fungus growth. So later he found there is a chemical released by that fungus which is stopping the growth of this bacteria. Later on, Ernest Chain and Howard Fleury worked on this, and they extracted first antibiotic penicillin, and it is named penicillin after the name of this fungus, Penicillium notatum, and they all three were awarded in 1945 for Nobel Prize for the discovery of this antibiotic.